Hey guys, Sunny here. It's December 23rd, Wednesday. We are trading natural gas. Overnight, uh, overnight and early morning, the natural gas fell. As I expected yesterday, it was extremely overbought. So, the only way I think it could go was down. So that's what happened this morning. I'm still holding on to my 1199 shares because, I sort of knew that after the prices being so high, it could only go down. And today is the natural gas EI report, so they're gonna release the consumption for the last week. Like last week, one of the day was like we had like winter storm in northeast, and it was like kind of cold. It wasn't very cold, it was just some snow, that just lasted like hours, not even like a whole day. So I'm expecting like there could be more draw than the week before, but last week draw I don't think it's gonna be significantly higher. And natural gas prices already being up, I'm expecting that after the release, it either it will go sideways or it will go down. So like both these options, I feel with both these options I feel comfortable holding on to my 1199 shares. So yeah, let's see what happens today. For the most morning, natural gas has been going down. Now it has started to consolidate, meaning it's going sideways. And the movement isn't much, like half a percentage point. So like as of now, I'm just gonna watch. I'm just gonna watch. If I see any opportunity, I might trade. But yeah, I think until the EIA report, it's just gonna go sideways. So the report is at 12 noon. So I'm gonna have this stream in like two sessions. So I'm gonna have like a 20-25 minute session now, and then I'll come back online at 11:45, and try to trade natural gas during the report while streaming. So let's see. From the weather front, things are looking bearish as well. Rest of the December is going to be warm. Like for example, this Thursday, it's going to be like extremely warm, like in 60s, at least where I live. But most of the country is going to be warm. There's a website called weather.us, and it has like all sorts of weather model that you can project up to like I think 2 weeks. So up to 2 weeks you can see what the weather could be. And like weather is like tricky, so things can change. Well, things can change pretty much on a daily basis. Like today's prediction about 1 week from now could change tomorrow. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, so like from weather point of view, things are looking bearish. We have a lot of gas in the storage, so that's another bearish uh, component. And then we might have a larger than usual draw this week. Yeah, but I don't think it's going to be significantly larger. So that's sort of like a bullish news, but I don't think it's like a good enough. It's enough bullish to cause the prices to go up. But that's my analysis. Things could change here and there, and the prices could go up. I don't say I'm 100% sure. Now I would say like I'm 80% sure that after the report, prices will continue to fall down. I mean, the report will cause the prices to go down, and after that, there might be some consolidation. It's just consolidating in the range. So let's see how things go. Just gonna put an alert here. My 20-day chart is showing somewhat of oversold situation. On 180-day chart, we have confirmation of downtrend. The MACD has already crossed over. So like in short term, it might go up some, but in the longer term, it will go down. So short term meaning like next couple of days, according to the 20-day 1 hour chart and 180-day 4 hour chart. On 5-minute chart, the candles, the bodies of the candles are keeping below the EMA line. So like the downtrend is still in effect. Natural gas is trying to uptrend. Let's see if it goes above, and 5-minute chart if it goes above the EMA line. On 1 minute chart, the EMA is like are trying to cross over in downward direction. On a 5 minute chart, EMA is like pointing upwards, but I'm like, that could change. The main confirmation comes when the candles move above the EMA lines. On 1 minute chart, it zigzags quite a bit, like it goes up, goes down. After like around 9:25 a.m. when the consolidation began, it's just been moving about the EMA line. But on 5 minute chart, we can see more clearly what the trend is. Still keeping below EMA, even though it tried a couple times to go above that. Yeah, I mean, once again, as soon as I came on, I started moving so slow. At least before I was considering some, we had like half a percentage point movement. But yes, it's around 10 a.m. just moving very, very slow. Yeah, let's try to make multiple attempts at going above the EMA, but it just keeps getting rejected. So yeah, I'm thinking the general sentiment is still bearish. So still holding on to my 1199 shares. Up on the day, $2,066, and my total return is still negative 478. So on my position size, I'm still losing money, but on the day, yeah, I'm up $2,000. Yesterday's overnight move up was like a surprise to me, quite a bit surprise to me, because if you look past few days, it's been just consolidating in the range, from on NGG21, which is natural gas futures for February. It's been like going sideways between 2.6 and 2.71, but yesterday morning it just shot up above that. So now if it comes to 2.6, I might sell some. So let's say on 5-minute chart, still it's below the EMA line. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, looks like it's above the EMA line on the 5-minute chart now, like just a little bit. It just came back down, and the bodies of the candles on the 5-minute chart are still below the EMA line. And 1-minute chart seems to, the MACD seems to cross in the downward direction. Yeah, once again, not much movement. I still couldn't quite figure out why the prices went higher yesterday. One thing I could think of was like February usually is the coldest month of the year. So, like as traders switch to the February future from January futures to February futures, that could have driven up the price. And again, it's not, the prices already being so high, it's just not sustainable. So the prices will need to come down. And as per multiple sources, uh, this winter seems to be a mild one. So I mean, like, we might have a few extremely cold days, but it's not gonna be like the previous winters. Looks like a huge resistance at 2.671. And like, yeah, since 10:06 a.m. for about like 20 minutes. The prices keep getting rejected from 2.671. Like even on the 1 minute chart, the prices just fell below the EMA. The MACD has already crossed over. Another push. It's doing something. It still doesn't look like prices are going to go up much. We have this upper price channel here. I think until the report is just going to go mostly sideways. There might be some movement. I'm going to see if there is some opportunity to trade. But until the report, it's just going to be sideways. Tomorrow I'm expecting very extremely low volume. It's the day before Christmas. Market will close early, so I might even take a day off tomorrow. Next week is the last week in this year, so I'm expecting the volume to be low, but we'll see how next week goes. For a moment the prices went above the EMA. Even on the 5 minute chart, the main body of the candle is like still below the EMA. Yeah, through the report, I'm planning on holding on to my 1199 shares. I expect the prices after the report, as soon as the report is released, I expect the prices to go down or go sideways. So I'm like, I don't expect the prices to go up at least much. So I'm just gonna hold on to my 1199 shares. And, if there is a downward movement, I might try to sell some when it goes down. 'Cause, like it might go down quite a bit, and then there's always a rebound effect. Um, as per the 5-minute chart, we are still in downtrend. Candles below the EMA. On 1-minute chart, we have MACD crossing over in the downward direction. And to sort of summarize, on 20-day 1 hour chart, we are in the oversold area. The prices might rebound some, but on 180-day 4-hour chart, we have confirmation of downtrend. So overall, the prices will continue to fall down. In the short term, it might go up a little, but I think even in continuing next week, I expect the prices to go down. All right. We still have downtrend in effect. There is no confirmation of change of direction yet. I'll try to trade some here and there. I don't see the range isn't much, for trading. It's just half a percentage point, and it could be worth it if I trade with large amount of shares. But let's see how it goes. I'll be back online at 11:45. To trade the natural gas report. The natural gas report is expected to be released at 12 noon today. So yeah, good luck trading natural gas today. I will catch up with you again at 11:45 a.m. today morning. Alright guys, bye for now.